Jay Clayton, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, has made an announcement on CNBC with regards to ICOs. According to the SEC, all tokens or digital assets that were used to raise funds for a venture or a company with an expectation of profit, either given by the company formed or exchangeable on a secondary market, are classified as securities, meaning that most ICOs would fall under this definition. The chairman also underlined that the agency won't be adjusting the current rules of the SEC for initial coin offerings. Clayton was not entirely against the technology provided by blockchain industry, stating that distributed ledger technology provides incredible promise not only in the financial market but in other areas too. Finally, the SEC representative said that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin should not be considered as a security, given that they do not seek a fund, a project in exchange for a return. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, announced a new $1 billion investment fund. It is dedicated to crypto and blockchain startups. The new investment fund is called Community Influence Fund. It's for funding new firms which are willing to explore the blockchain technology and its applications. The fund will be paid in the exchange's own BNB coin. This new announcement was recently made by head of Binance Labs division, LSA. Binance's goal now is to help create other funds and work with various funds managers who have at least $100 million in assets. The exchange's plan includes the launch of Binance Ecosystem Fund with at least 20 partners.
The huge Seattle-based exchange Bittrex will allow investors to buy cryptos with dollars. Before this decision was made, the only way of purchasing cryptos via Bittrex was to buy Bitcoin itself first, so it was a little inconvenient for investors. Bill Shihara, the exchange's founder and CEO, stated that this decision was made to expand various other markets and allow Bittrex users to gain access to more currencies. Now transactions can be made with the use of US dollars alone, and this might slowly start to change, and altcoins might receive more freedom and independence from Bitcoin. And this is basically a huge pro of this decision. The system is still being tested, and according to the exchange's CEO, only a small number of launch partners are working with the exchange in order to provide the possibility of buying cryptos via fiat money itself.